Co-education. In my opinion, co-education is best for everyone, and I am telling something about co-education. Co means together, and education means imparting knowledge. And we can say that co-education is a system of educating boys and girls together. First of all, co-education was since ancient times. Co-education exists in Greece, and after that, according to Plato, who was Greek philosopher, believed that co-education brings the overall development of anyone, of both man and woman, and creates a feeling of relationship among them. It is a practice to give education to both boys and girls together in a same schools and same class. They play together with the same grounds, and they walk in same places. And now in present times, co-education is prevalent in almost all countries of the world. Co-education reduces hesitation among students and increases their confidence level. Co-education creates a friendly and respectful environment for both genders. Because they are equal, co-education improves academic results and improve their performance. And we can say that many advantage of co-educational systems, which is helps students to intermingle and behavioral change, survival for the future, overcome fear of the opposite gender, and they call economical and healthy competition and environment, and make a friendship there between no discriminations for gender, caste, etc. Improves their academics performance and results, uniformity. So it is essential to ensure a safe, respectful living environment where students feel comfortable expressing themselves and protected from discrimination or harassment. So, according to me, co-education is best for any places, any institutions, and any workplace. Yeah, I can say.